Okay, just a really quick tutorial on how to extract hyperlinks from text and use those hyperlinks in functions. Because if you were to just, for example, say that's before this, that won't copy the hyperlink as well. And there's no real straightforward way to do that, but there is a workaround. So first of all, you want to copy your text with hyperlinks and just paste them into a row right next to it. Okay, let's make them smaller again. You'll see in a minute what's that for. Now you go to File, Options, and in Customize ribbon, you activate the developer ribbon. Now you get this ribbon up here. You choose Visual Basics, Insert, Module, and now you copy the text in. I'll have in the video description as well. It's not my code, it's from extendoffice.com. I will link them as well. And now you press F5, and now you can give the range you want to apply this to. And that's why we copied all those links, because it's going to overwrite the selection we make. So we had, I think I can do that from my head. Wait, so we go, what was it? Let's change the first row. Okay, let's just go A to A, or actually A2 to A. Press OK. Oh, it's not valid. Well, maybe we do need those. Okay, whatever. Okay, we can just select it that way. Oh, I forgot the equal sign. Okay. It's gonna take a while because that file is pretty extensive. Okay, but anyways, you can already see that the hyperlinks are now there, and I guess the format is just didn't change from before, so that's why it looks like it's an actual link as well, which it shouldn't be. I think it's just text, but yeah, it might be because of the formatting of the text we copied pasted in there. But what we can do now is, if we have, for example, let's do again, what are we in, B4 once again. We can take this, like imagine we have this on another sheet or something. We have those in here, but we use the function to drag that to another sheet, and now we lost the hyperlink. So what we can do to get it back is use or do what we just did, and then use the hyperlink function, where we can create our own hyperlink. So first of all, the link location, it's just the actual link. We choose A4 or whatever you need. And then for the name, we use the copy pasted name. And now we have an actual hyperlink with the correct link. That's it. I hope it worked for you. If not, ask in the comment section. Maybe I can help. Maybe others can. Have a nice day.